Think it's too late to plant flowers in August? That's exactly what most people believe, and they miss out on an entire season of blooms. But the truth is, there are flowers that not only survive the summer heat, they thrive in it. These plants don't care if you show up to the gardening party late. In fact, some bloom even better when planted now. Let's reveal 11 flowers you can still grow in August, before summer ends and fall begins. Marigolds are basically summer's favorite flower. They sprout fast, bloom heavily, and love the heat. Their bright yellow and orange blooms will stick around into fall. Bonus, they also repel pests, perfect for the veggie garden too. Sunflowers don't mind a late start. As long as there's sun, they're in, even if planted in August. Many dwarf varieties bloom before the frost hits. Just keep the soil moist during the early days to help them establish strong roots. Zinnias are the definition of low effort, high reward. Heat tolerant, fast growing, and vibrant. They'll bloom until frost if you keep deadheading. Plant them in full sun, give them breathing room, and watch the pollinators swarm in. Cosmos are surprisingly quick to germinate even in August. They adore warm soil and dry weather. These tall, airy flowers bloom in dreamy shades of white, pink, and purple, giving your garden a wild, whimsical look with almost no effort. Black-eyed Susans can still be planted now, especially in cooler zones. With bold golden petals and dark centers, they resemble mini sunflowers. Just mulch around their base to keep roots cool in the late summer heat. Nasturtiums are the laid-back rebels of the flower world. They grow quickly, bloom brightly, and reseed themselves without asking permission. Plant the seeds now, soak them overnight first, and enjoy their cheerful blooms and edible leaves. If your soil is less than ideal, Coreopsis will still come through. It's a wildflower at heart, thriving in poor soil, dry conditions, and summer heat. You'll get clusters of yellow blooms with little maintenance. But don't skip deadheading. Globe amaranth is tough, colorful, and long-lasting. These pom-pom blooms are ideal for planting mid to late summer. Once they start, they'll bloom until frost, and they're great in dried bouquets because they hold their color for months. 4 o'clocks are perfect for August planting in warm climates. Their fragrant trumpet-shaped flowers open late in the day, like clockwork, and attract night pollinators. Keep them in moist soil and enjoy their after-dark charm. Blanket flowers aren't just beautiful, they're practically indestructible. They laugh in the face of heat, drought, and poor soil. With fiery red and yellow blooms, they're a bold addition to any late summer garden. Just don't let the soil stay soggy. Cleome or spider flower is your go-to for big impact with minimal time. Planted in July or August, it rockets upward with dramatic spidery blooms. Just a heads up, it has a musky scent. Keep it away from patios or open windows. You see, summer isn't over, and neither is your chance to plant something beautiful. If you want more smart gardening tips and timely planting secrets, hit that like button and subscribe now. Because around here, we garden smarter, not harder. Happy planting!